Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. And we just got the word that the semi-frozen extreme condition set, which is this set right here, which has the two semis, which this is just the most awesome set I think that they've done in a while. This is shipping right now. My car sets will be here next week, and probably Monday or Tuesday of next week. And we've got, so that's set, and you just click below to watch the video, okay? And then also we've got the 3 Deluxe pit kits, which are just a must for every slot car enthusiast. You've got to get the pit kits. You got a Mustang, the Cuda, and the Bel Air. All 3 of the pit kits, you basically build your car from scratch, which I just think is awesome, okay? And their cars are white. You can do your own design. You can paint your own car. So these 4 items are available right now at Pro Tinker Toys for pre-sale right now. Now, obviously, they won't ship until Tuesday when I get them, okay? So these will be available. That's Extreme Racing. You get basically the Peterbilt and a GMC Astra 95 Tundra Explorer tanker. These are just so awesome. The track is all white, like ice road truckers. I mean, this is just a must. I can't wait to race these on race night. Semis on race night. I might even have to upper the bridge, okay? Well, we'll just set this up as the semi set and just race the semis, because you're going to have to elevate the thing to get the semis under it. And then these tune-up kits, these Deluxe tune-up pit kits, you basically put the car together. They have all the components, and you literally are putting this car together from scratch. And these are available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Okay, and then the third thing is, what are we going to do on the 4 exclusives? The Burple Fit Nomad, the Black Nomad, the Red Batmobile, and the Pro Tinker delivery truck. If we do these each week for the next 4 weeks, we're going to have basically all these separate orders with separate shipping and everything. So I'm going to make the command decision that that on Thursday night at 6 o'clock, this Thursday night at 6 o'clock, all 4 cars will go up for sale. A pre-sale.
In the bottom one, though.
For club members, okay, before we get started, we want all of our club members to know that there will be 6 of each car saved for you. We ask that you join on the pre-order event, and please purchase via the website. If they sell out before you had a chance to purchase, we will only need an email, support at Pro Tinker Toys, on how many you would like, and the invoice will be sent to you. So basically, there are about 50 members, right? We've set those cars aside, okay? 6 each, okay? Now, 50 times 6 is 300. We don't think every customer is going to buy 6 cars. So we are setting aside 200 cars for our club members that they will get. So we're going to be putting up 800 cars.
So whatever's left over, we have to save for in-shop, in the store for people.
Right, so we're going to be putting up about 600 cars. Okay, about 600 cars of each car will go up for sale at 6 o'clock on Thursday. And we will do a live feed saying 5, we'll do a 10-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, boom, for sale. And we're only offering one variant, and that is 1 car at a time, okay? You can only buy 1 car at a time, and can they buy as many as they want, or is it they can buy as many as they want, huh?
Yeah, they just click add to.
Right, okay, I got it. Okay, so that is officially the official stance right now, is that all 4 of these exclusives.
This Thursday? Because we got to go to Lincoln's too.
I know that, but we can't ship on the weekend, Friday or Saturday. We'll have to do it when we get back on Monday. Do all the shipping on Monday.
We're not shipping anything. We haven't gotten anything yet.
Oh, that's right. All right, so these are the cars that are going to go up for sale. The Nomad. Or I'm sorry, the truck. The Burple, or the Black Nomad. The Burple Nomad. And the Batmobile. The Batmobile. So these 4 cars are going to go up for sale on Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Exactly Eastern Standard Time, 6 o'clock. They won't ship until November 15th, approximately, because they're supposed to be finished production end of July or end of October, and they're going to be air freighted to Detroit International Airport, and they will be trucked down here as soon as they arrive, and we will then ship them to everybody approximately the 15th, maybe a little bit past November. But that's when these 4 cars will be available. Okay, you're buying them this week at 6 Eastern Standard Time, exactly at 6 o'clock. So be ready, be warned. I don't know how long they're going to last, honestly. So here's my prediction. This one will sell out first. All right. This one will sell out second. This will sell third. And I think this one is going to be last. We'll have these. I could be totally wrong. Maybe this is the most popular one because this has never been done. None of these have been done like this. So just so you know. None of these cars have been made like this. There's never been a Burple Nomad with yellow flames along with this one. None of them have been like, this one's never been done. And that's why this one's going to be popular. So 6 o'clock, Thursday, this Thursday.
There'll be an email at that time.
There will be an email. Ryan will be sending emails, okay? And also, we're taking pre-order sales for the semi-race set and the 3 pit kits. Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.